station. New train station being built. August 17, 2023. We're driving to Hua Hin. They're building a new train station on the elevated train line here. Something. Wow. It looks spectacular, huh? Look at this. And this is the double tracking that they're doing from Bangkok. That's supposed to run all the way south to Malaysia, I believe, eventually. And then keep going. You can get the old train station in the same video here. Then we're coming up on the old train station on the original surface line. Right here. This is the old train station.
Yeah, this is the old one.
Or the original existing train station, I should say.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cardboard truck. Yes.
Cutting boards.
Okay, we done?
Yep, we're done. Bye-bye.